Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super fun, super creative, super bold and bright. It's been a long time since I've done a clown makeup, so today we're gonna go super hard, and I'm going to attempt this face chart by EG Makeup Arts on Instagram, and I'm excited, so let's get into it. I went ahead and got my base done first, so that way I was just ready to get right on into it with you guys. So I think for the majority of everything today, we're gonna be using the Blend Bunny Blends palette. This has been like my go-to girl. I got her to replace all of my old rainbow palettes that had been expired, my VH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the Morphe 35B, what else? ColourPop Faded to Hue palette. This formula is better than all of them. Absolutely worth every penny. She also just did a collab with Ellis Atlantis, and their collab palette is coming out in 2 days, and I'm hoping to get my hands on it. I have a feeling it's gonna sell out very fast, but I'm gonna do my best to get in there and get it. I'm starting with the shade Chance on this thin flat brush just to kind of carve out initially where my first cut is gonna be. I feel like that's pretty good. Okay, now I'm picking up the shade Dream, just kind of bringing it down into my inner corner area. And now the shade Bubble Bath. Now I've taken Bubble Bath on a pointed brush, and I'm just gonna start blending along the line that I made with Chance. And now I'm going back in with Chance. Okay, not bad. Okay, period. That's not bad, dude. That's not bad at all. I'm taking the shade Nevermore and just like stamping it right at the very bottom of the blues that I blended. Okay, I think this is turning out really nice already. So now I've taken Wildflower and Remedy, and I'm kind of just combined them together to make a really like atomic green, and I'm gonna place that right there. And now I've picked up the shade Bewitched, and I'm kind of gonna put it down in there also. Okay, this part gets like freaking insane, and I'm buckle up. Before I continue on, I'm gonna do like the blush and the contour and stuff. I'm starting with the shade Giggle. And now I'm taking Dream. And now I'm taking the shade Chase. Now I'm gonna create this like black paint splatter effect. Now I got my Suva Beauty UV Brights palette, and I'm gonna take this pink shade right here. It's called Smoosh. Oh my god, this is intense. That was like the hardest eyeliner I've ever done in my life, and it's not even, but I think we did pretty good. Okay, now I'm using the Suva Beauty UV Taffy's palette. I realized I didn't say what I was doing for that, but I was just creating these little like clown-esque, I don't know, it's a gradient from pink, orange, and yellow. Hopefully that's picking up for you guys, but it's awesome. It looks really cool. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna keep working on like finishing up the last little bit of the details, and then I'm gonna come back with the finished look. We're pretty much done. This is looking really fun and great, so I'll see you in a sec. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I'm really proud of how this turned out. This face chart was a little bit of a challenge, but once, you know, I visualized the sections and got into it, it was really fun and it was really good, like, creative release. I haven't done a clown look in a long time, and I think this one is probably one of, if not my best ones. If you guys loved today's video, please be sure to leave it a big thumbs up. Write me a comment, tell me what your favorite part was. Make sure you're following me on TikTok. That's where I post a lot of my like extra content. I'm there. I'm the most active on there. You see the most of me over there. I feel like I'm always promoting my TikTok like crazy, but I'm building a real cool community over there, and I just want everyone to be part of it. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for showing up for me. Thank you for sticking through the video. Bye bye for now. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.